Hello everyone, it's Dale here with a new weekly trading ideas video. What you see before you is NinjaTrader 8 platform with my custom-made volume profile and VWAP indicators. And the first trading idea that I'd like to talk about is on the euro dollar. So this is a 30-minute time frame of the euro dollar, and I want to talk about this support, which I published in the members area for members of my trading course. It is at 1.0820 and it is based on a volume profile setup, which is called the rejection setup. As you can see in here, the price was dropping aggressively, then it reversed and went upwards, also very aggressively. And within this rejection zone, there was heavy volume formed in here, heavy volume cluster. And what such a volume cluster is telling us when it is formed within the rejection is that buyers started to buy aggressively in this place, and eventually they bought everything the sellers had to sell and they started to push the price upwards. So this is an important zone for the buyers, and the zone begins in here at our level. So if there's a pullback to that level in the future, then chances are that there'll be a reaction as the buyers from here will want to defend this place and push the price upwards. Alright? Because clearly this place is important for them. We can tell because they placed all those volumes in here, right? So that's why they should become active here again and defend this place. Now, let me show you one more thing. There was a rejection in here as well, this rejection, but I'm hesitant to trade this one because there simply isn't any significant volume bump in here. Let's do a little comparison, alright? Nice volume bump in here, but in here, not too significant. Alright, so I won't be trading this one, but this one is good to go. So that's the rejection setup on the euro. Let's move forward and let's have a look at the ES, which is futures for the Standard & Poor's 500. Now what I have in here is a volume accumulation setup, one of my favorite volume profile setups, and it goes like this. First you need to see a rotation where heavy volumes were accumulated. Those are the heavy volumes you see on the volume profile. This is a weekly volume profile which shows how the volumes are distributed throughout the whole week, but you can also use the flexible volume profile over the rotation zone like this. In both cases, this level will stand out. I mean, this heavy volume zone will stand out, and this is where that heavy volume zone begins. 4,886. And when there's pullback to this level, if there's a pullback, then chances are that there'll be a reaction as buyers from this place will want to defend this zone where they placed a lot of their long positions, and they'll want to push the price upwards from there again. Now when the price reaches this zone and when it's somewhere around, then what I'll do is I'll open up the order flow software and I'll wait for some sort of confirmation to improve my trade entry, because what the order flow does, it shows very nicely all the huge orders that the big market participants use when they are jumping in and entering their trades. So when the price is around that level, I'll open up the order flow software and use it to improve my trade entry and trade exits. Alright, so that was the ES 30-minute time frame, and let's now move forward and take a look at the Euro Swiss franc. So this is the Euro Swiss franc 30-minute time frame, and what I have in here is a little combo of trading setups. Let's start with volume profile analysis. As you can see right now, there's a nice sell-off, and if you use the volume profile like this from the start of the day, you can see that before that sell-off, nice and heavy volumes were accumulated here within this trend. So this is telling us that sellers were active here, adding to their short positions, and then when they were done with adding to their short positions, they pushed the price even lower in this nice aggressive downtrend. This is the beginning of that heavy volume zone at 0.9363, and when there is a pullback, if there's a pullback, chances are that the sellers from here will want to defend this place and push the price downwards from there again. So that's for the volume profile setup. Now, as you can see, the price made a very sharp and very nice reaction in here on Friday, which means that it worked as a support. The level worked as a support. When the price blew past that, the support became a new resistance. All right. So that's a price action setup that confirms and points to the same place as the volume profile setup in here. All right. So that's a nice little combo that I like to trade. And there's one more thing I wanted to show you. If you look at the weekly volume profile from the previous week, this one, then this is the low of the profile. This is the low of the previous week, which also adds to the strength because the price blew past that low of the previous week, and it's likely that it will react if it makes a pullback there. All right, so all those things are pointing me to this level. So what we need to do now is just wait for that pullback, and if it occurs, then we can take it from there. Now, if you guys are interested in learning more about volume profile trading, then head over to my website. It is at trader-dale.com, and if you click this button which says Trading Course and Tools, then it will take you to this page where you can check out my trading education and custom-made indicators. In here, this is the Elite Pack, which focuses on volume profile trading. It includes video course, my personal day trading and swing trading levels, which you'll be getting every day, and my custom-made volume profile indicators. Below that, there's the Order Flow Pack, which will teach you everything about day trading with order flow. It includes my custom-made order flow software, order flow video course, and custom-made volume profile indicators. Both those packs also include dedicated tech support, which will help set everything up. Now, if you are interested in getting both, you can get this combo at the bottom of the page, where you can get the Elite Pack as well as the Order Flow Pack. Now, before I wrap the video up, I would like to announce a winner of a contest we had last time. The prize of the contest were my custom-made indicators for TradingView platform, and right now on your screen you see the name of the person who won in the contest. So congratulations to the winner, and what I'll do next is I'll do another contest for the next week. The only thing that you need to do to participate in the contest is leave a comment below this video, which I'll publish on YouTube. And next week, I'll randomly pick one person to win those set of indicators. Alright, so that's about that. Thanks for watching the video, and I'll be looking forward to seeing you next time. And until then, happy trading!